So chapter 10 is on photosynthesis, and photosynthesis is kind of the opposite pathway. With respiration in there, you take sugars and break them down into carbon dioxide and water. With photosynthesis, you take carbon dioxide and water and turn them into sugars. Plants do this, not people. Some bacteria, the photosynthetic bacteria, do it, as well as some of the algae. So in the biosphere, photosynthesis is the use of light to make chemical energy that you store in sugars and other organic molecules. They're considered autotrophs or self-feeders, so auto means self, and their troph is a feeder, because they're going to produce organic molecules from carbon dioxide and other inorganic raw materials in there. They don't rely on other living beings in there. They're considered producers because they just make organic products. The heterotrophs are going to obtain their organic materials by consuming compounds that are produced by other organisms. So that's where the hetero comes in there. They're the consumers. So which one are you? You're a heterotroph. So photoautotrophs are going to use light energy to derive synthesis of the organic molecules from carbon dioxide. Your plants are your autotrophs, photoautotrophs. What was that? Plants, yeah. There are times I feel like I have autotrophic tissues in my body, but science tells me it's not possible, that it's too much eating. So photosynthesis is going to be what converts that light into chemical energy, and it's going to occur in the chloroplasts. So where you've got mitochondria that are doing this energy production in an animal cell, it's going to occur in a chloroplast in a plant cell. And it's got chlorophyll on the inside. And the mesophyll is going to be where you have these microscopic pores on the leaf where carbon dioxide can enter and oxygen exits. So in this cross section here, you've got the chloroplast area here and here. And then you've got the chloroplasts within there. And you've got these pores where your gases go in and out. So the roots in the plant are going to absorb their water, and it's going to deliver it to the leaf through the veins. Within the chloroplast, you've got the stomata, which is going to be the dense fluid in there. And then you've got the thylakoids, which are going to be the interconnected membranous sacs that are going to separate the stroma and the chlorophyll in the thylakoid membranes. And then the granum or the grana are the stacked columns of thylakoids in here. So here you can see the stacks inside of a chloroplast. So what's going to happen with photosynthesis is you're going to have carbon dioxide, 6 carbon dioxides, 12 waters, plus the light energy is going to make 1 glucose, 6 oxygens, and 6 waters. And this just, with the different colors in here, shows what happens to the individual atoms in there. So we talk about glucose in there to simplify the equation, but what you actually end up doing is you make these 3 carbon sugars that you end up turning into glucose, which we'll talk about that more tomorrow in there. So if you simplify the equation, a sugar is a carbon with 2 hydrogens and a water attached to it, and we put the brackets around it. So glucose is a 6 carbon sugar, but if you have a 3 carbon sugar, you would have 3 of everything in the brackets. A pentose is a 5-carbon sugar. You have 5 of everything in the brackets. So this just simplifies it in here and talks about using it to make a sugar in here. And so we'll stop there today.